Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce us. This is my colleague Jan Šílený. My name is Štefan Kormaňák. We are from DATmoLUX Brno. Our company was established in 2000. We were working in public lighting, and the experience in this problem moved us to lighting of industrial hall and offices and houses too. With this, our experience with street lighting, it's monitoring of light point. After our presentation in the afternoon, we could show you online information for Smolník. It's a village on East Slovakia. With this, our software for presentation, we are communicate with OpenStreetMap, Google Maps, and some vectors map. And here is information about light points. With this, our solution for industrial hall. I speak short because after short presentation, we should show our software in work and demonstrate it. And with this solution, in the up of the light is a control unit, and with this technological computer with touch screen, it's in industry hall, and by touch with screen, it's some section and scenes could be on or off or dimming. With this, our solution for office. For example, it's with light, and the control unit is this. And what is new in our company, we made new outdoor wireless model where it's switching on with electrical loads at zero. It's prevent like a sinusoid curve for electricity. We switch on in with zero or very near zero, like a prevent inrush current. We could got GPS coordinates provided by every lights. The ability to record switching calendars into individual chips, it means every lights could be working autonomous. We use new model TR7X. It's longer range than TR5X, and for outdoor unit we use NEMA unit ANSI C136.21. It's for roadway area lighting equipment. For office, is we could assign of lights to a sensor or switch. We will show it and simply set up a communication channel to one of 6 predefined values. For 1 to 10 volts dimming, we have a relay switch for off. And now I go to my colleague.
So hello everyone, I will show you a demonstration of a typical application. Let's suppose I'm a maintainer of some facility and I am somehow controlling the street lighting systems, indoor lighting systems in there, and I'm trying to create somehow some structure and to program it and let's say to assign buttons or sensors to specific luminaires. And I would like to make it for once. Let me say it at the beginning that we are not using cloud systems because every application is quite unique, and every application is somehow specific. If you encounter some facility, you will see that they will not allow you to be connected outside of, let's say, their private network. And what will you do with cloud if you, for example, have only a panel PC? So you have to run all your stuff inside of some panel PC, or maybe you could use even some Raspberry Pi or whatever. But let's suppose we are not in some public network and we cannot access net. So what will we do? This is a standalone server client application which could be, as I said, installed, for example, on a Raspberry Pi. And now I'm showing you the floor plan of our company. There we have some lights. Now it's for us is these two are critical because they are laid down there below the screen. So these 2 points, I could switch them off using either this application, or I can use also our client. It's quite simple. There is simple and stupid. There is nothing more than you need. You need switches, you need some floor plan, you need some kind of scenes as we introduced, and maybe some simple statistics. So let's say I will switch on section all, so I will switch it on 3, these 2 lights will turn on, and I could see also here where it is. I will look on top of section all, and you could see it now, and I put it on a 3. So let's say put it on 6, yes, and it will go on and more, yeah. And you can see it again, these sections, and you could see it, and we did only several steps, yes. And he switched off both with one button.
For dimming too, yes, I can increase by some steps.
You are using
or home, coming home, and you need to coming to garage or street light. You are coming inside, and after this you can.
I will assign the left button to the second luminaire. Did it work? No. Once more. Yes. I see nothing. Setting up assigned device. Yes, and we are set up. You can see the hierarchy of network. There is some concentrator and other things. And now he could control all the luminaire with one button. Yeah. Now you see it, yeah.
There is 4 buttons, and at first I have 2 buttons for one light and 2 buttons for second. And now I only.
So now I can remove the left one again. We will see if it will work. We can see that the assignment is off, and now he could only manage with one button, one luminaire. But it's quite extensive. You can, for us, such a simple demonstration, it's not for us possible to show you everything. But for example, if you encounter a bigger hall or a bigger area where are several light points, you could imagine that the network and the structure could be quite complicated, and you need somehow to manage that. I will show you also that you can download some data from these luminaires. You can see the state. You can see somehow voltage. I will refresh it if you switched off the yes. You can see the voltage, current, you can see the consumption. It's quite extensive, but for the real scenario you need truly only such a thing where you can shut it on and shut it off, or apply some scene, or to look from the bird's eye and see, yeah, hey, this one, shut it off, and everything is off. Or this one, shut on this one, and yeah, this section only, this luminaire is assigned only to this one, to this section. If I shoot on everything, you will see everything is on. It's only a demonstration, so you can use your mobile phone to see that web interface. Well, it's quite a simple and nothing to add to you. So. You could see the lights be more bright and less bright. Yeah, it's working. So probably thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention. If there was some question now or the network working, will be here.